んにちは、よしおさん。今日はどうお過ごしですか？
I'm fine.
That's wonderful to hear, Yoshio-san. Now, please share your description of the photo. I'd love to hear your perspective.
You are first.
Absolutely, I'm here to help. So let me know your thoughts on the photo. What do you notice in the image?
Before I show my description, but I like to hear your detail of this inside car's description.
Got it. The image shows the interior of a car viewed from the front passenger seat. The driver is holding the steering wheel, and it looks like the car is moving fast because the trees and road outside the windshield are blurred with motion. There's a GPS navigation device on the dashboard, and the sunroof offers a view of the sky, adding a sense of openness. The scene captures the thrill of driving through a forested area with speed and direction. Now, what's your take on it?
Okay, most of the same description. In this picture, I can see the inside of the car. It's a left-hander car, not Japanese car. This car has a very high speed in the forest road. Both sides, trees are blurred. Center of the inside car, I can see the console box. In the console box, there is a radio system and outlet of the air conditioning. On the dashboard, there is a watch, but it must be a car navigation. Almost car navigation system can change from map to watch. Most update car navigation can watch the television.
That's right. The image shows the inside of a car seen from the front passenger seat. The driver is holding the steering wheel, and the motion blur outside shows the car is moving fast, driving through a forested area. On the dashboard, there's a GPS navigation device, and above, the sunroof reveals a bit of the sky. The scene captures the excitement of a fast-paced drive. What do you think about it?
Okay, it's enough. So I want to move the vocabulary lesson.
Great. Let's move on to the vocabulary lesson. Please start by reading the first word, and I'll comment on it.
Okay, melting snow.
Got it. The first word is melting snow. This phrase refers to snow that is changing from a solid state to a liquid as it warms up. It's a common sight in spring as temperatures rise. How would you use melting snow in a sentence?
Our area sometimes snowfall, and it's a hard manual to remove the in front of my house snows, but on the sunshine, so the sun's warm melting snow is a very helpful for us.
Sure, I'd describe it like this. The melting snow created small streams along the roadside, signaling the arrival of spring. What's the next word?
Okay, measure snowfall.
Sure, measure snowfall means to quantify the amount of snow that has fallen, typically recorded in inches or centimeters. For example, we need to measure snowfall to prepare for the weekend ski trip. What's next?
Okay, icy road.
Icy road likely refers to an icy road, which is a road covered with ice, making it slippery and dangerous. For instance, drive cautiously as the icy road conditions could lead to accidents. What's the next term?
Okay, bear the cold.
All right, let's talk about bear the cold. It means to endure or tolerate low temperatures. For instance, you'll need a heavy coat to bear the cold winter winds. What's the next word?
Sensitive to heat.
Sure, exposed to heat refers to being in an environment with high temperatures. For example, the materials were exposed to heat, causing them to expand. Ready for the next word?
Okay, I have some comment, cold and heat. Recently in Japan, when I was a child, I like the summer than the winters. But recently the Japanese summer is can't bear it that hot. Cold is more better than the heat recently Japanese season.
That sounds right. Moabeta nara zenzen heiki means if it's better, it's totally fine in English. It's a way to express that you can handle the heat if it's more comfortable. What's next?
Okay, breathe fresh air.
Breathe fresh air means to inhale clean, unpolluted air, often found in natural environments. For example, let's go to the countryside and breathe fresh air. What's the next word?
Environmental pollution. Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
What's your comment?
Absolutely, I can hear you just fine.
Environmental pollution.
Environmental pollution refers to the contamination of the natural environment due to harmful substances or activities. For instance, factories release pollutants into the air, water and soil, impacting ecosystems and human health. Want to discuss this more?
The environmental pollution, recently the most big ones emit carbon dioxide from the cars or other machine. Yes, so it's a big problem for human beings.
Environmental pollution harms human beings by causing health problems like respiratory issues, waterborne diseases, and even cancer. It also affects food safety and quality of life. Would you like to go deeper into this topic?
Okay, next vocabulary, natural resources.
Natural resources are materials found in nature that humans use for survival and economic activity, like water, minerals, forests, and fossil fuels. They're essential for our daily lives and industrial processes. Next word?
Global warming.
Natural resources are materials found in nature like water, minerals, and forests that are essential for human survival and economic activity. They fuel industries, provide energy, and support life. What's the next word?
Okay, next word is global warming.
Global warming refers to the long-term increase in Earth's average temperature due to human activities, mainly the emission of greenhouse gases. This leads to climate change, affecting weather patterns, sea levels, and ecosystems. Want to know more about it?
This global warming is very trouble for every human being. But recently, the Prime Minister in United States says global warming is just illusion. It's a very bad point. So the United States, the big countries, but he can't cooperate, reduce global warming. So what do you think of the Trump's thinking?
Global warming refers to the long-term rise in Earth's average temperature due to human activities, particularly the emission of greenhouse gases. It results in climate change, impacting weather patterns, sea levels, and ecosystems. Would you like more details?
Definitely, your thinking is very right. But the United States President Trump don't think so. But I'd like to know your opinion about that.
Global warming is a pressing issue that demands action. It's crucial to reduce greenhouse gas emissions to mitigate the impact on our planet. What are your thoughts on this?
I'd like to your opinion. President Trump distort this fact. What do you think of President's thought?
President Trump's views on global warming have been controversial. He has expressed skepticism about the scientific consensus on climate change and has rolled back several environmental regulations. This has sparked debate and criticism from environmentalists. What's your take on this?
I'm depressed about United States President Trump's stupid thought.
Hey again, Yoshio. What's on your mind today?
Okay, I'd like to read my final word. So the carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas that is released when fossil fuels are burned. It's a major contributor to global warming and climate change. Reducing carbon dioxide emissions is key to tackling these environmental challenges.
I think so. Thank you very much for this morning lesson. So I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks everything.